Hi, Kathya here. This is to present the breathwork day that we're doing at the TIGERMEN in New Orleans in May. What is breathwork? Breathwork is a method, transpersonal breathwork is a methodology of breathing. You're lying down, your eyes are closed. Usually there's a sitter with you. And you're going into a 3-hour session of deep breathing. What happens to you when this happens? I used to call it the vacuum cleaner of the soul. It really is many hours of therapy that you can release in one session. It's quite profound. Different type of experience people have. Could be very much be part of nature, that you maybe connect to a droplet of water and you are sitting with the awe of what our nature is and how Gaia or our Soma is, and what it has a very deep effect to have this feeling and this sensation that is created entirely by you breathing. There is no medicine or no hallucinogen or anything. It's really naturally a natural process. So that's one experience. Another experience is that it's very rare that you could re-experience your rebirthing. It's very rare. That's of course a fantastic opportunity to clear all the trauma that had gone through that. You can't choose these experiences. This experience happen as your subconscious is able to release. So it's not like you decide, okay, I want to do this, and you have that experience. You actually don't know until you start the process. Another one is more of a physical attribute where you really feel in your body the energy moving, and that is quite sensational. Can be painful, but that's where the facilitators are there to help to move the energy along your body and release it. But it is quite cathartic in its effect. So that's the third one. And the fourth one is you really go into vision mode, where you have quite a bit of visions but it's fast and it's passing by, and somehow it's like a necklace of little golden beads where you discover or you have a general understanding of what is released. So what is particular to our technique is that after you finish the breath work, we dance for 3 or 4 songs where you try with your movement to express what the experience was. And we find that this is like a digestive enzyme where you can really digest the experience and then go back with your new self into the world. So that's for the breath work. If you have questions, you're not sure because it's a little bit different, please email me, phone me. Registration is on the web as well. It's at the TIGERMEN's Den in New Orleans, and I hope I see you there.